The starter rope is used to start your gas-powered tool. The rope is wrapped around the starter pulley. When it is pulled, the pulley rotates, starting the engine. Over time, the rope will wear and fatigue, eventually breaking in two. Aggressively pulling the starter rope will cause it to fail much faster. Replacing the starter rope is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, chicken mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the starter assembly from the saw. Now I'll pull the rope from the starter and tie a knot in the center. Next, I'll remove the rope from the top of the starter handle and untie the knot or just cut it off. I'll be careful to not lose the washer. Now I'll untie the knot that I tied in the center of the rope. And I'll allow the starter rope to retract all the way into the starter. Next, I'll remove the retaining ring in the center of the starter pulley. With the retaining ring removed, now I can remove the pulley from the starter. Now I'll remove the rope from the starter pulley. Now I can install the new rope. To install the rope, I'll first tie a knot in one of the ends. I'll set the rope aside for now and reinstall the pulley. I'll place it over the hub and then rotate it until it engages with the spring. Now I'll secure the pulley with the retaining ring. Now I'll rotate the pulley clockwise, which will tension the spring. I'll rotate it until it won't rotate any longer. Once it stops, I'll turn it back counterclockwise until the hole for the starter rope on the pulley aligns with the hole in the housing. Now I'll insert the rope back through the pulley and through the hole in the housing. I'll pull the rope all the way through until the knot fits into the pocket on the back of the pulley. Now, I'll tie another knot in the middle of the rope. And now I can reinstall the handle. I'll insert the rope through the handle, through the washer, and tie a knot. And now I can untie the knot in the center of the rope. and I'll finish up by reinstalling the starter onto the saw. I'll line it with the housing and then secure it with the screws. And that's how you can install a new starter rope on your cutoff saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.